Yes, isa yan sa mga mahalagang agenda namin, alituntunin namin ipinunta rito sa Cebu. We looked at the projects of flood control here in Cebu, and from our understanding, for the past 6 years, 60 billion has been poured into Cebu. And most of it, or 25%, the bulk of it went to 7th District. 7th District. And 25% of it also went to a leading contractor, Kirante. And that should be a lot of money to control the flooding. But apparently, the past month, flooding happened again here in Cebu. So we have to look at what's happening. Is it the design? Is it the execution? Or is it just corruption? Titingnan natin, and we will find out and we will know. And of course, the grand design of corruption in DPWH became very apparent. Na wala talagang bidding na. Kaya isa yan sa sinuggest ko rito sa ating mga tao dito is that we lobby for digital tools through the law na lahat talaga transparent na. Ang bidding from the barangay up to the executive department, dapat dyan, digital na. Dapat may digital billboard for everybody to know and to see and to investigate. It should be a duty for people to record everything digitally so that transparency is promoted.